Howdy y'all, this is Blake Cobble from Russ Darrow Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram of West Bend, and today I have one of my certified pre-owned Chrysler Pacificas to tell you about. This one is a 2017 model that is a limited in trim. So with the limited trim you get nice chrome accents around the vehicle and nice 20-inch premium wheels, which look really outstanding. And this one is a bit unique. It has some nice light leather interior, which in the summertime is a lot cooler than your standard black leather. Everything is automated and it has a lot of nice safety features like blind spot monitors and memory seats, as well as some convenience groups like automatic moving forward for the driver and passenger seat, so the stow and go is a lot easier to access. It also has the stow and go vacuum built into the side, so you can actually clean up stuff that you spill in your car when it happens, which is really convenient if you're like me and you're eating potato chips and you spill some. Has a vacuum cleaner built in to keep your car nice and clean. And if you come around to the back of the vehicle, it has park sensors as well as a backup camera. There is a trailer hitch installed, so if you need to do some towing, the Pacifica can tow about 3,000 pounds with the tow package from the factory. The tailgate has an assisted lift, so it comes right up. And even better than that, the third row stow and go has the option to be automated. So you can have the seats fold up and stow automatically, which is way more convenient than having to tug 2 or 3 or 4 different levers and then still have to pull the seat down for yourself. Now this vehicle only has 42,000 miles on it, and it is certified, so you have up to 100,000 miles backed by the manufacturer. So it's a great deal if you're looking for a nice minivan with a lot of convenient features, and it's very unique for 2017. Come on down to Russ Darrow Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram and take a look at it today.